channel. If you're new here, my name is Christy and I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 little girls. I just put out a video called One Box Challenge just the other day where I show a whole carload full of things that I was able to declutter and get out of my house. I was challenged by my sweet friend over at Live the Life You Love to declutter our seasonal decor. Now, I must admit, I have been decluttering my house and going through everything, so it was a bit hard for me to find items in my seasonal decor that I did want to donate, but I was able to find a few. So let me go ahead and show you what I found. The first item I was able to find was this fall table runner. I do like this, but I'm not crazy about the pattern, so I'm okay to let this go. Also, one of the ends, the tassel, has come off, so it is a little damaged. The next item I have are these Christmas towels. I have been holding on to these towels for years, and the only reason why is because these towels used to be my mother's. Now, I am not really a fan of this green color, or it doesn't really match my Christmas decor, so even though it did belong to my mom, I am totally okay with going and donating these. I also was able to find this spooky sign. This is actually something that I found at the thrift store a few years ago, so it is not in perfect condition. As you can tell, there is a mark here, and I haven't tried to clean it to see if I could get the mark out. It just wasn't that big of a deal to me. Also, this pumpkin moves around, so it's a little bit wobbly, but it still has a lot of life that someone else could give it, so I am going to donate this. And the very last thing that I was able to find is this picture frame. I actually put a piece of scrapbook paper in this picture frame and added this love to the front of it, and this was part of my decor around Valentine's Day, but I did not use this year, so I think it's safe to say that I'm probably not going to use it in upcoming years, so I'm going to go ahead and make more room in my home for things that I do love. Alright guys, there you have it. Those were the 4 items I was able to find to declutter from my seasonal decor. If you are not already and would like to, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. So make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you are notified every time that I put out a new video. And also, don't forget, when you're done here watching this video, go check out Live the Life You Love so you can see what she has decluttered. I will leave all of her channel information down below. She is almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you are not already, make sure you head over there, check her out, and subscribe so we can get her to 1,000. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.